here today sharing with you another Unity Quick Tip video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this really fun magic slider card. I'm taking the Kid of the Month, this beautiful butterfly, and I'm going to stamp it up with Memento ink. I want it really black, so I'm going to stamp it a couple times. Really get that ink in there. Now I'm going to bring my piece of acetate and I'm going to lay it over top to get it positioned just right, and then I'm going to take my white sheet and pull it out. And then going in with StazOn ink, I'm going to ink up the butterfly again and stamping it just once and making sure that I don't press too hard or wiggle it too much. See how perfectly they fit together? Going in with some Copic markers, I'm going to color up this butterfly to be a blue with different hues of blue, some light tones, some dark tones, and some medium tones. And because my dark tones are going to be in the center of my butterfly, I'm not even going to worry about taking my light color inside there. There's really no need for it. So getting the outside with the light and then coming in with the medium, I'm going to flick towards the lighter color to give it some of those really fun lines like a butterfly would have. Now coming in with my third darkest color, I'm going to just go in the very middle here. Coloring up the flowers with some pink. I love the teal colors and the pinks together. Getting the leaves, just coloring them up with two colors of green, just giving it some high and some low light. And then going in with some Wink of Stella, I'm going to get the butterfly itself and the flowers. Give it a little bit of a shimmer. Alright, I've cut a frame with a Sizzix die cut. Just going around the three corners, the three edges of the card, and laying my acetate over top of that and getting it all lined up. I want those lines to be perfect. Now I'm going to take my frame and lay it over top of the acetate. Putting in my slider. Perfect. And there you have it, the magic slider card. Thanks for watching. Bye.